We're here at IT Nation 2010 with Mark. Mark, tell us a little about your name, your company, where you're from.
Mark Hilson, Central Victorian Technology Services, based in Victoria, Australia. It's actually Bendigo, just an hour and a half above Melbourne. We're a managed service provider for the region of Victoria.
Is this your first partner summit you've been at?
Yeah, the first annual partner summit. Yes, it definitely is.
And how long have you been using ConnectWise?
Just over 2 years.
What did you think of the keynote this morning?
Fantastic. It's right in line with most of my experiences with ConnectWise thus far. It's more than just a product. It's the whole community, so it's just fantastic.
What were some of your key takeaways from Keith McFarlane's keynote?
All about building a company and what it's about, the intangibles that it takes, and there's no magic to it, and it's all about continually working on the company and building the people with you on your journey. So, no, it's fantastic.
How do you think, what sort of relevance do you think that'll have for you going back and getting back to work next week?
Oh, it'll stop the excuses of trying to get the right people into the business and more wiring the people to where we're going and working with us, because we've all got strengths and we're all there to move forward. So it'll be a bit more optimistic than trying to still find new good people to join us. So yeah, I'm quite excited on our return.
What did you think of the modern office concept that Arnie Bellini introduced?
Oh, it's fantastic. A picture tells 1,000 words. Even when you explain it, it's just like, it's so logical, it's so obvious, it conforms your thoughts and where your head's at anyway. Just formalises it and allows you to build and move forward. So it's like most things with ConnectWise, it just really assists and provides a great foundation for your strategic view on your company, where you're headed in the industry. So no, I thought it was fantastic.
And so Arnie asked the audience to count the number of services that you were providing. How many services of those he listed does your company provide?
Yeah, well, he said he wanted 4 or more if you're going to be any good. So I'd like to think we're about 4. But I think if you rated it on a 1 to 10, it's how well we're doing those 4. And then as always, we've got on our roadmap to add a few of the others. So I'd say between 3 and 5 would be a fair response.
What are some of the other services that you think you might offer as a company?
Well, vendor management we're going to get a lot stronger at. We do that. VoIP. What else was there? There was website management, infrastructure, printing. Just the loose ends, I guess, tying up the loose ends, because customers, as Arnie rightly puts it, they're looking to us to guide them anyway, to make sure they're going down the right track and not signing up on the wrong deal. So we might as well get involved and manage it.
And what about networking with other partners? Is that something that is that one of your takeaways from these types of events?
That's an expectation. That's one of the beautiful things about ConnectWise. The community is just so open. We don't seem to have a competitive nature amongst us when we're together. We're one. So it's so open. So I expect to take a lot away from my discussions. So it's really up to me to have those discussions and meet and greet. So no, that's an expectation. Arnie's certainly created the format for that. So it's up to each and every one of us to make the most of that.